Hi, and welcome to the course where in just 30 minutes you'll learn to start investing to achieve any financial goals the simple, effective, and proven way. I'm Charlie Cameron, and I'm a full-time engineer by day and a money hobbyist and investor by night. So how am I qualified to teach you this course then? Well, I can show you from personal experience exactly how a full-time, busy working professional like myself can easily achieve massive wealth through investing. As a young millennial, with 6 figures in investments and as an advisor for USAA Bank, I bring a unique perspective I'd like to share with you. At the end of this course, you'll be able to immediately invest for financial goals such as retirement, your kids' tuition costs, and any personal goals like building massive wealth, creating passive income, maybe a beach house or luxury sports car, or anything else you wish to accomplish. So we'll talk about how much money can be made through investing, the only 2 types of investments you need to achieve any goal, why we want to use them, how to maximize our earnings and minimize our costs, where to put these investments, how to invest step by step, and we'll go over the difference between regular investing and investing for time-critical things like retirement or education. And there will also be some bonus content for you to use. I designed this course for the young working professional who wants to set themselves up for substantial future wealth without having to waste their time or struggle through overcomplicated financial jargon. So go ahead and check out the free preview lectures and enroll in the course if you're interested in learning to become super wealthy. I also have a free course you can check out first to understand my teaching style called Crash Course on Why Everyone Can and Should Invest.